Güstårssåns Comic Zone. Volvo Service Tag.
Maya, I'm heading over to Gusta to get the Volvo service tag.
Sure, say hi to Gusta for me. And come back soon so we can get everything done on time.
Don't worry, I'll be back within an hour. Hey Gusta, I'm here about that Volvo service tag.
Hi there. Great. Head straight to the workshop. Everything's ready. We can get started.
Since I'm here, could you also check for any errors in the diagnostics? The car hasn't been inspected in quite a while.
Of course, no problem. The diagnostic report will show up in your summary as well. First, I'll connect the car to the laptop using the D5T5 cable and log in. The main VDASH screen will appear and the vehicle will be detected. It just takes a moment. Please be patient. To enter the code from the Volvo service tag, simply click the QR code icon. A window will appear. You can either enter the code manually or scan it using the app. We'll enter it manually this time. Please read me the URL shown on the Volvo service tag.
So, the address is S/24604.
The Volvo service tag is now paired with the car. Now we just need to set in VDASH which information you want to make public and which to hide.
What's the difference?
I recommend leaving almost everything visible. If something goes wrong, you can easily look up the history. And when you sell the car, it will be immediately clear what it's been through. In the Volvo Service Tag tab, you can choose which information will be displayed. Mileage. Service information. Service information from VDASH. Vehicle DTCS. VDASH records. VDASH connections. All done. Now just stick the Volvo service tag on the inner door frame right below the lock. Come on, let's take a look together and see how everything loads up nicely.
Yeah, sure. I'm already pulling out my phone.
Just scan the QR code and you'll have an overview of all the important details. Carvin, year of manufacture, engine type, odometer reading, last service, all detected faults. We haven't added a photo yet, but I can show you how to do it. You'll also find all service actions here, the operation history from VDASH, and the current odometer reading.
That's an awesome service. Can you connect it to any Volvo like this?
Absolutely. And if you know someone who'd find it useful too, here, take a few extra tags. Or just send them to our online store, D5T5.com, where they can order their own Volvo service tag right away. Besides the Volvo service tag, you can also get my merch and other cool gadgets on D5T5.com, all designed to make your life with a Volvo easier. You can also find me on social media. Follow my pages so you don't miss any updates. For detailed information and the full product range, including Güstårsson's merch, visit www.d5t5.com.